Hey everybody, it's the Copenhagen Kid. Just here doing a little video on my new addition to the motorcycle family. And let me show you what it is. There we go. That's my new Victory Hammer S. Well, it's not new. It's a 2009, but it's new to me. It's got the 106 cubic inch motor. Did some work to the muffler. The pipes have a 2-to-1 with the heat wrap on there. That's also a Victory made product. My latest was I put a LED tail light and the side mounted plates so it can show off that big tire. I did that yesterday. It has this was the stock big huge thing. I don't know why they put that on there. It's like an afterthought. Those tail lights don't belong there, man. It looks kind of silly. But now shows off that whole tire, and really bright as heck. Eventually I'll be doing some more to it. You can see my other bike over here. That's my Vulcan 900 bobber. That one I did a lot more work too. All of it, you know, handmade stuff, and I was able to do all the work myself. But this is about the Victory. Pretty cool bike. Like I said, it's the Hammer S. This over here is removable, that seat cowl for the passenger. And check out those lights. How bright that is. Yeah. And the little license plate also has a light. It's pretty cool. Let's check out that view from the back. Turn off that blinding light. That's the tire, all right. Pretty darn big. 250 millimeter tire. See if I can show it off a little better without the lights. Yeah. Thinking about taking out that baffling. It's been remapped with those new pipes, but I'm used to this thing over here, and it's just, I mean, it's a lot louder. And you know, this is a classic motorcycle. I did all the work myself on this one. I'm not running a front fender. Got all the chrome, even on the radiator chromed, the pegs, grips, little flame seat, tank bib, chromed out the dash. I mean, it's a cool bike too. It's got straight pipes on it. Shotgun low. It's a loud baby. That's what I'm used to. But let's check it out. Make a little noise. LEDs. a little more manageable, but it's not really as loud as I'm used to. I'm used to it being a lot louder than that. That light takes a little while to go off, but it does go out on the plates. I guess I'll be posting whatever new I do to it. Thinking about putting a 4-inch extension. If anybody knows any, details or info on that, probably come out to about here. Me being a tall guy, that really would help. Maybe push the bars up a little bit, or I don't know. You really get a good clamshell position when you're riding, but be a little bit more comfortable for me if it was that little bit. This one I already have those highway bars. Turn off my LEDs. Yeah, I guess maybe I'll be working on those pipes. And it flows good. It flows good. It's just not what I'm used to. My old Army posters. Airborne. Some of my stuff. An old picture. Where am I? I don't remember. There I am. That's me. You can't really tell. Too dark. I'll have to do that one again later. Fort Benning. Yep. Bug out bag. Old school rucksack. PT stuff. And we're in Texas, baby. But that's my latest addition. I need to clean up all this freaking mess. I just moved in here and need to get a nice rack on the wall to put stuff. But there's the old. Here's the new. I just can't see. I can't get rid of this one. It's just too much of a cruiser. It still has a solo seat, but I have the stock seat over here. You can't really tell. It's all the shit all everywhere. Dang it, I need to clean up. But that one's a lot better for a passenger, and like I was saying, this comes out, but not much for cushion. Not that fat chicks are going to be sitting on it or anything, but can't be very comfortable. But yeah, I'm going to keep them both. I guess the next thing, I'll probably do that little taillight and side mount plates for this one too. Just too cool. Alright guys, well, that's it. Copenhagen Kid out. Thanks for watching.